Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an anti-aging oil which if used regularly every day and night makes your skin look youthful and glowing all day long. We get plenty of facial oils and body oils in the markets, but trust me, we can make a better oil that suits our skin type at a fraction of the cost. Regularly massaging with this oil will help reduce wrinkles and fine lines very effectively. This oil has wonderful anti-aging properties as it is full of antioxidants, and the best part is we just need only 3 ingredients for making it. The first ingredient we need for making it is dried orange peel. As we all know, orange peel is very rich in vitamin C, which is one of the secrets to youthful glowing skin. If you feel your skin is aging fast due to pollution and stress, try using vitamin C based treatments like this. It will make a huge difference to your skin tone. To make dried orange peel, after eating oranges, don't throw the skins away. Cut them into small pieces and sun dry till there is no moisture left. You can store the dried orange peels in an airtight box for a few weeks, or you can grind them in a mixer and use it in face packs too. The second ingredient we need is dried Clitoria tennatia flowers, also called as blue butterfly pea flowers in English, Aparajita in Hindi, and Sankapushpam in Tamil. This flower is full of antioxidants and has wonderful anti-aging properties. To get its full benefits, try to both consume it internally in the form of tea and also apply externally for skincare like this. This is the flowering season for Clitoria tennatia, and we always have plenty of these flowers growing in a village. You can also get these flowers in flower markets too, as they are widely used in prayers. We also get dried flowers easily online too. If you're interested, I'll leave the online link for buying it in the description box below. To sun-dry these flowers, spread them in a single layer in a plate and sun-dry till there is no moisture left. Once they turn crisp and there is no moisture left, you can store them in an airtight box and use whenever necessary. To make the tea for drinking, you just have to steep the dried flowers in hot boiling water for a few minutes. This oil can be made in 3 methods, so no matter where you live, you can easily make this oil. This oil smells incredible, has a long shelf life, and has wonderful anti-aging properties. So give it a try without fail. To make the oil, take 1 tablespoon of dried Clitoria tennatia flowers in a cup. Add in a tablespoon of dried orange peel too. Now add in 1/4 cup of cold press oil of your choice. The best choices are lighter oils like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil. Now take this mixture in a bottle, close with the lid, and let it steep for a week. After a week, the oil will be infused with herbs. Now strain this mixture using a strainer and store it in a glass bottle and use regularly. The next 2 methods for making it are direct sun drying method by placing the bowl under hot sun for 2 to 3 days. The final method is double boiler method, done by placing the bowl over another bowl of gently simmering water for 15 to 20 minutes. I personally prefer the steeping method, and I also don't strain out the herbs. I let them in the oil and they usually settle at the bottom, so I just use the clear oil on top. Whatever method you're using, just make sure that the herbs are fully dry and are free of moisture before adding to the oil, else the oil will turn rancid within a week or 2. You can use this both as a body oil and face oil. To use, before going to bed, take little bit of the oil and massage it all over the skin for a few minutes. This oil has a beautiful mild orange smell and is very relaxing to use. Regular use of this oil will make your skin youthful and glowing. Try it without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.